ain't gonna be working on the PLS 10, but here's where we at on the custom grill insert. It's in primer. So it's slacking up now. So let's do these. Let's go see what's in this SUZCO motorcycle light kit. Slacking off, but it comes in waves. So let's see what's in the. Let's go up and see what's in the box. I know this is. You get 6 of these. Oh, gone. Try that again. You get 6 lights. You get a 4, 8, and 12. You get 3 of these distribution boxes. Got 6 leads to them. You get a remote. You get the brain box with the on and off and the remote switch. I guess this is a remote too. Tells you what it can do. Instructions. You get 3 of these connection adapters, extensions. Yeah, the wires are really, to me, looks like they're very good. They're thick. They got strip wire, heat shrink on them. So first step we got to figure out is where we're gonna put all these lights on Lucille. And it's still raining. They got the 3M sticky tape on it. I'm still trying to figure out where I'm gonna put all these lights. Yeah, with my luck, I should hook the battery up to them and plug them all in, make sure they all work, right? Let's do that. First thing I gotta do is take the seat off. That's pretty
easy to do on Lucille. All I do is move my gloves, you know, these gloves and holding gloves that stick to the metal. I got a thumb screw, unscrew it. Well, guess what kind of
thumb screw it is? You guessed it, you guessed fire hazards. Okay, oh, and I need a screwdriver to take this off. Some people can scoot it under. I like to just take it off. As you can see, they working. That's good. Hey y'all, we got it all back together. This is a very, very simple kit. Just SUZCO motorcycle lights. I put the description. I got it off Amazon, and yeah, I really like it. And hard part was just getting all the wires and all tied in together. Lucky I got the Custom Dynamics sequence light, so I didn't have to tie into my Harley wires. I just tied into them because you need your brakes. With this kit, you hit your brakes. We've got to have it turned on. When you hit your brakes, you can't see it. Let me turn the lights off. With the lights turned off, can you see it now? It lights up red, and uh-oh. We got one missing, or do we? Huh. Only certain ones lights up red. How about that? But turn your blinkers on, and we missing. It flashes yellow on either side. I said on either side. I guess it don't. Blasty, blast. Let's start over. This crisis diverted. I had one wire unplugged, so let's do that again. As you can see, the left blinker is blinking, and it lights up yellow. As soon as you touch the brake lights, it goes to red. So you either side, so that's extra safety, you see. Extra safety. And I like it. All my lights are blinking. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All around it, see? I don't know if you can or not. You're going down. Camera down. So, I can't see what I'm doing here. We can put it on music. Hey! Turn tab! Hey, oh, hey! Boom, boppa, boom, boppa, boom, bow, wow. She said a boppa, wow, wow. Take the mic off. Boom! Said a boppa, wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, bow, 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 boom, chicka, boom, bow, wow. Alright, let's turn off the music because I can't see what I'm doing here. Come on, there you go. Woo! Discoing. That's a strobe, I believe. That's more discoing. That's fade. Then you can pick your color you want. Like, I like that right down the road, and you, hey, I gotta get over. Let me turn my blinker on, but I ain't got my headlights on. Turn my blinker on, and I blink yellow so they can see all the blinking lights. Yeah, buddy. Uh-oh, I'm stopping. Got my red. Whew. Wow. Let's move over here. And you see it started raining, so it's been raining all day. I didn't use all the lights. I used all my long ones. I only used 2 of the 8-inch. So I got all 8-inch, and I got 3 short ones left over, plus the Y and this extension, and another extension. I had to use the extensions. I just couldn't figure out where I wanted to put them all. Well, we back. Fuzzy thing made appearance again. Like I said, that's a good kit. I like it. It was very easy to install. Wish I had something. Oh yeah, I got TKO hand cleaners to wipe my hands with. Well, I got 2 of them. Clean my hands up here. If you want some of them, you can go to sweetpatina.com and use PFS64. You get a discount. They work great. Smells really good for hand cleaner. So, like I said, lay out your kit first. See where you're going to put your lights and how far the wire. Make sure all your wires going in the right direction. Just take your time. You can figure it, and pretty easy. I had to use 2 of the extensions from, because I put one on the rear fender on the bottom. I had to run the extra wire from that, and I believe that was. Yeah, and one of the lights on the bottom up and that. You got a lot of wires, to just take your time when you go in and clean. The only problem, if you wanted the brakes and the blinker deal, you're going to have to either tie into your assistant Harley kits, or like I said, I had the custom dynamics, so I just tied it off of it. So when we got to unplug it, it's, you know, yeah. That's pretty much it. You can check out that video right there, and that one, and hit the subscribe button. That's what I got from birthday and Christmas. A new windshield. I got some holding gloves. Yeah. I think this will be out 20 seconds. So, I done rambled on, so I probably done messed up all that. But anyway, y'all have a Merry Christmas. Check out that video there, and that one. And hit the subscribe button, it's free. Let's get me to 2,000 for the end of the year, which probably not. Why ain't you famous, they say? Because you ain't sharing my shit.